Hello, very good morning. Welcome to JS System Academy. Welcome to the next part of video, the Playwright for JavaScript series. In this video, we are going to see a very simple concepts that is how to do a date picker. Okay, so if you see this application, right, that is a date picker. So how to select right date from the uh, date value. It's a very simple one, not a dynamic one. So let's see how we are going to select date from the date picker. Okay. So now let me create a new file, JavaScript file. So I'll name it as .js. Okay. So now let me go to the previous code. Okay. I'll copy this one and I will paste it. I'll just remove the steps which I don't want, right? So I'll remove everything. Okay, so now what I did is, right, I first line of code, I imported the chromium package from the Playwright. Since you're going to launch chromium browser, I'm going to import the chromium package, and then I use the async, right, the default async is there in the Playwright, where for each task which whatever you are doing, it's going to wait and then it's going to do the task. Okay, for that I added async here, and then first line of code I'm just going to add chromium launch the chromium browser with the help of launch method and the headless state false. So it's going to run in foreground. Okay, so now I'm just next I'm going to create a default chromium profile where a separate session, right, I'm going to use it, and with the help of new context method. Okay, next one is I'm going to create a new blank page. This we are doing for past 15 videos actually. So this is going to create a new blank empty page in the chromium browser. So these three steps, it does all these things. Okay, now we need to launch the URL. For that I use page.goto, and I copy this URL. Let me paste here. So now it's going to launch the demo QA date picker application, where this demo QA has different things which we can handle in this site. For example, date picker, drop down, download, upload, alert handling, window handling, frames handling. All these things can be handled with the help of this. Now we are going to see a simple date picker. Okay. Now after I just launch the application, I'll add some more lines of code here. Okay, now I'm going to add uh, in double quotes. Let me change it to double quotes. Okay, I'll add double quotes, then I'll give comma, then I'll put an curly bracket. I'll add a curly bracket. Okay, so now I'm going to add a curly bracket here, and next I'm going to add wait until. So we need a right DOM to be loaded. So I'm just adding one condition here, right, the DOM content to load. Okay, sometimes, right, if the content is not loading, right, I will throw an exception or error. Okay, to avoid that, I'm making the DOM content to load, so that suppose, right, whatever operation which you are going to do, so we can do first it load it, then you do it. Okay, so you are instructing Playwright to wait for the DOM to load, and we are telling it to wait for 60 seconds. Okay, so I'm just telling wait for 60 seconds, load it, and then launch the URL, and then load it and wait for 60 seconds. Then I can go and do the further task, whatever I want to do it. So okay, I give await page. Okay, dot, I'm just going to wait for selector. I'm going to wait for selector. Okay, then I'm going to use double quotes. Okay, now I'm going to locate, I inspect it. Okay, so there is an ID here. We need to handle the date picker. For that, we need to handle an ID here. For that, I'll give hash. Okay, for ID we need to give the hash. Okay, Then I need to take the value of the ID and I will paste it. So we are waiting for the selector to get fully loaded. Okay, and that next one is what I'm going to do is write a while paste. I'm going to write locate now with the help of fill method. Okay, so I'm going to give double quotes. Okay, and I'm going to copy it. Okay, then I'm going to enter the date range whatever I want. Okay, for example, I'm going to enter the date range, right, 8 to the right to the 25 2025. Let me select a range 8, right, 27, 2025. Okay, so I added here this one. Okay, I'm filling the right located date picker month year input. Okay, and then I'm just right making sure printing it console dot log. Okay, date, enter. Okay, enter the date. I'm just waiting for other again 5 seconds and closing the browser. Okay, let me save it, then go to new terminal and I'll navigate to test folder. So I have my file everything under the test folder. So I'm just navigating test folder. Now I'm going to give node date picker. Okay, .js. Okay, so I'm going to run this one. So now Chromium browser is launched. URL is entered. Now you can see, right, data has been selected 8/27 2025. Data has been centered. You got the console and it closed. Okay, so now this is how, right, we can handle a simple date picker with the help of Playwright with JavaScript. Okay, first we need to launch the Chromium browser, then right, add a new context into the browser, then add a new page into the context, and then we should use this combined right method, right, go to where you launch the URL and just wait until the DOM get loaded so that we don't get any errors for during our locating the element. Okay, wait until DOM content loaded, then I'm just waiting for 60 seconds, then I'm waiting for the selector to get visible, and then entering my right, entering locating that particular date picker and entering the value, and then I'm printing it, waiting for 5 seconds and closing the browser. Okay, so hope this video is useful for you. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day. Meet you soon in next part of video.